In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop videos on your Facebook app or from your Facebook account from autoplay. If I scroll through my account, all the videos are autoplaying and this is eating into my data. To stop it, all you need to do is to go to your profile, which is shown on top here, and then click on it. Then from here, look for the gear button, which is settings, and here it is. Click on it to open the settings. Then scroll down and look for the option called preferences. Under preferences, look for the option called media, and we have media here. Tap on it to open. Now from here, look for the autoplay section, and as you can see, it is set to be on while on mobile data and Wi-Fi. So to turn it off, go ahead and tap on never autoplay video. And as you can see, the changes have been saved. Now if we go back, now you see that the videos that were autoplaying are no longer autoplaying, and I have no issue with the videos autoplaying while I scroll. So if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.